In this video, I will show how to create radar chart in Microsoft Word. So click on Insert, then Chart. Here click on Radar. Can select any style. Then click on OK. So here is the sample data. Make changes according your need. Once you done, exit. Here you can change style. In this plus icon, you can add some more options. Once you need edit again, click edit data. Now make changes here. So thanks for watching.